Hey guys, we're over at the shop today to get to a project that's been on the list for far too long. Today we're going to tackle a rear fender chop. So the first thing you're going to need to do is remove these 8 push pins that hold the inner fender on. These pop off easily using a trim removal tool. Once loose, just pull the plastic inner fender out. If you don't have new inner fenders yet, you're going to want to get some. Next, we just need to pull the fender off the body. You're sure to break some of the clips, but just pull firmly to remove the fenders. With the fender off, we first need to remove the bracing. Remove these 2 plastic rivets and you can just pull out the brace. Next, we need to remove the plastic liner. It's held on with plastic spot welds, so just pull it firmly away from the fender to separate it. With the inner trim removed, we're ready to cut off these plastic clips. So out comes the knife and just move slowly. Okay, now we just need to replace the clips that we broke when we took the fender off the Jeep. With those replaced, we can just snap the fender back on. Man, that looks great, and we gained some extra clearance. Okay, on to the other side. Remove the plastic clips. And this time I'm going to remove the plastic rivets as well. Now just remove the inner fender. And take the fender off of the body. We're going to remove the brace again. Then separate the inner lining from the fender. Cut off the plastic tabs. And finally, replace our clips. Now, time to install this fender. And just like that, we've chopped our rear fenders. We gained some extra clearance and some killer looks. As always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.